Hello guys, welcome to Unacademy KCET YouTube live session. Myself Sharif. In the first video we have done 25 questions. We will part 1. We'll start with question number 26 from in part 2. Alright, before I start guys, please do subscribe and enable the bell icon so that you get notification for all our classes. And if you've already subscribed, please do share this video at the end of the session. Right, let us start guys. Hi Pavitra. Question number 26. If ABC are three non-coplanar vectors, PQ are non-coplanar vector and PQ are the vectors defined by PQ B cross C by box of ABC. PQ vectors are given. Then he's asking what's the value of the given expression. See, this can be written as A dot P, right? This is A dot P plus B dot P plus B dot Q plus C dot Q plus this is C dot R plus A dot R. Plus A dot R. Right, now I'll substitute the values. This will be equal to A dot with P value is this, right? So this means that this is B cross C divided by box of ABC. Okay, and then this is plus B dot P. B is equal to again B cross C. Okay, so this is B dot with B cross C divided by box of ABC. Right, Gaurav already texted the answer. Question number 26. Yes, Gaurav, you're right. Plus this is B dot Q. B dot Q will be equal to B dot with C cross A. Okay, and then this is box of ABC. And then plus B dot then C dot Q. C dot with Q will be equal to C cross A divided by box of ABC. Okay, and then plus C dot R, that is equal to C dot with A cross B. C dot with A cross B by box of ABC. Okay, and then plus 0 only. Plus this is equal to A dot with R. R will be equal to A cross B by box of ABC. In a scalar triple product, if any two vectors are identical, then its value is 0. So this is B is repeated twice 0, C is repeated twice 0. This is 0. Alright, and I told you this before as well. When you have suppose A dot B cross C, dot and cross A dot B cross C is same as B dot C cross A. Box of ABC, BCA, CAB, that is C dot with A cross B. All are same, all are equal. This means that this will cancel. This will cancel and this will cancel. You will get 1 plus 1 plus 1. Answer will be equal to plus 3. Answer is D. Right, let's move to the next question. See, this is actually Lagrange's identity. Dot the whole square plus cross the whole square is mod A square mod B square. That is dot the whole square plus cross the whole square. Dot the whole square plus cross the whole square is equal to mod A square into mod B square. Is equal to mod A square into mod B square. That's actually called Lagrange's identity. So this is dot the whole square plus cross the whole square is mod A square into mod B square is equal to 144. right? No, modulus of A is 4, right? So this becomes 16 into modulus of B the whole square is equal to 144. This will cancel 9 times. Mod B the whole square is 9. Mod B the whole square is 9. Modulus of B is 3. Right, answer is option C. So this is called Lagrange's identity. This is called Lagrange's identity. Right, let's move to the next question. Right, question number 28. Two adjacent sides of a parallelogram is given. What is length of the diagonal? See, if I have suppose like this, if this is A and this is B, this is A plus B, right? Okay, and if it goes in the opposite direction, this is A minus B. Now length of the diagonal, I'm supposed to find the length of the diagonals. That is, first I should find modulus of A plus B. Mod of A plus B is equal to, this is vector A, right? This is vector B. If I add these two, I'll get this as modulus of 3i minus 2j, and minus k plus k will cancel. So this is equal to root of 9 plus 4, which is equal to root of 13. Mod of A minus B is equal to modulus of, if I subtract this, you will get this as minus I plus 4j, okay, minus 2k, which is equal to root of 1 plus 16 plus 4, which is root of 21. So length of the diagonals is root 21, root 13. Right, root 21, root 13. Answer is option D. Let's move to the next question. If the volume of a parallelepiped formed by the three non-coplanar vectors is ABC, so volume of a parallelepiped is A dot B cross C. Okay, so according to the volume of a parallelepiped is equal to box of ABC. Now according to the question, volume of a parallelepiped is 4 cubic units, so this is 4. Box of A cross B, B cross C, C cross A is box of ABC the whole square. Box of ABC the whole square, so this is equal to 4 square, which is equal to 16. Answer is option B. Okay, let's move to the next question. Yes, Gaurav, if you formula to find the diagonal is A plus. No. Diagonal is A plus B only, right? Whose adjacent sides are A plus B. If the adjacent sides are A plus B, then length of the diagonal is mod of A plus B only. And the opposite is A minus B, other diagonal, secondary diagonal. If the length, if I want to find out length of the median through A, then it is A plus B by 2. Right, question number 30. A plus B is perpendicular to A plus B is perpendicular to A plus MB. This I'm done. Yeah. So dot product is 0, right? That is A plus B and dot with A plus MB is equal to 0 because they are perpendicular. And it's also given in the question that A is perpendicular to B. A perpendicular to B means A dot B should be 0. Right, so if I use the dot product now, this will equal to A dot A plus M into A dot B plus B dot A plus M into B dot B is equal to 0. Right, now A dot B is 0, B dot A is 0 because they are perpendicular. A dot A is mod A the whole square. Okay, and then plus M into B dot B is mod B the whole square is equal to 0. From this, M is equal to modulus mod B the whole square is equal to minus mod A the whole square. Alright, now m is equal to minus mod a the whole square divided by mod b the whole square. Answer is option C. Right, so it's not mentioned that a and b are unit vectors. If it is mentioned a and b are unit vectors, then it is answer is option A. And otherwise, it's not mentioned anywhere, so answer should be C only. Let's move to the next question. A, B, C are unit vectors and a plus b plus c is 0. Then what is a dot b, b dot c, c dot a? I square on both sides. This is a plus b plus c. The whole square is 0. That's a null vector, the whole square. So this is 0 only. Right, so a plus b plus c the whole square is equal to mod a square plus mod b square plus mod c square plus 2 times a dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a. C dot a is equal to 0. Right, a, b, c are unit vectors, right? It's already mentioned. So this is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 into this is a dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a is equal to 0. Right? Yes, Gaurav, minus 3 by 2, right? So plus 3, right? You shift on the right side, so it will be equal to 2 times a dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a is equal to minus 3. Okay, so this is a dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a is equal to minus 3 by 2. Right, answer is option B. Let's move to the next question. Vector A is perpendicular to both B and C. So it should be equal to A cross B cross C. Okay, obviously A is perpendicular to both B and C. Answer is option B only. Let's move to the next question. Question number 33. If A and B are two unit vectors inclined at an angle theta, inclined at an angle pi by 3, what's the value of mod of A plus B? See, I'll take mod of A plus B the whole square. Mod of A plus B the whole square is mod A square plus mod B square plus 2 times A dot B. Okay, so modulus of A plus B the whole square. Mod of A plus B the whole square. A and B are two unit vectors, right? So this is 1, this is 1. A dot B is equal to mod A into mod B into cos theta, that is cos of pi by 3. Mod of A plus B the whole square is equal to 2 plus 2 into mod A mod B is 1. Cos 60 is half. 2 and 2 cancels. You get mod of A plus B the whole square is equal to 3. If I take this square out, you get modulus of A plus B is equal to root 3, and root 3 is more than 1. Obviously greater than 1. Answer is option B. Yes, Gaurav, what's your doubt? Area of a parallelogram whose adjacent sides are given. Unit vector perpendicular to both A and B is this formula only, right? Suppose if this is A, this is B, this is n cap. If I take the same vector which goes in the opposite direction, this is minus n cap. Unit vector perpendicular to both A and B is n cap is equal to plus minus A cross B divided by mod of A cross B. Is it okay? So n cap is equal to plus minus A cross B by mod of A cross B only. Now, area of a parallelogram whose adjacent sides are given. Now let's say if you have a parallelogram, this is vector A, this is vector B. Right, area is equal to mod of A cross B. Okay, now I'll find out first A cross B. This is vector A, this is vector B. A cross B is equal to determinant, you get components of ijk. Components of A is 1, 0, 1. Components of B is equal to 2, 1, 1. I into delete first row, first column, you get minus 1. Delete first row, second column, you get 1 minus 2. And delete first row, last column, you get 1. This is minus I plus j and plus k. Modulus of this is root of 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is equal to root 3. Area of the parallelogram is equal to root 3 square units. Alright, question number 35. The box of A minus B, B minus C, C minus A is always equal to 0. Similarly, box of A plus B, box of A plus B, B plus C, and C plus A is always equal to box of 2 times box of ABC. Is it okay, guys? Similarly, if I have box of A cross B, box of A cross B, B cross C, and C cross A, this will be equal to box of ABC the whole square. A cross B, B cross C, C cross A, then it is box of ABC the whole square. Alright, now let's say if you have like this, box of A plus 2B, and then let's say if you have box of B minus 2C and C plus A, something like this. Right, now which is not in standard form, then I'll take determinant. First component is A plus 2B, right? So it will be equal to 1, 2, 0. There is no C there. Second component will be equal to 0, B is 1, C is minus 2. And the last one is A is 1, B is 0, C is 1. Into you have box of ABC. Now if I expand this, delete first row, first column, you get 1. First row, second column, 0, 0 minus of minus is plus 2. And then 0 multiplied by number is 0. Right, into box of ABC. This is equal to minus 3 times box of ABC. Minus 3 times box of ABC. Just an example, guys. That's what you need to do. Take ABC out and prove it. Alright, let's move to the next question. Angle between any two diagonals of a cube is cos inverse of 1 by 3. It's a standard result which was asked in 2014 paper. Angle between any two diagonals of a cube is cos inverse of 1 by 3. Let's move to the next question. Question number 37. If A, B, C are 3 vectors, just a sec, guys. Suppose vector A is given, modulus of B is 5, angle between A and B is pi by 6. Then the area of the triangle formed by the two vectors. Area of the triangle is half of modulus of A cross B, right? So this is equal to half of A cross B is mod A into mod B into sin theta, that is sin pi by 6. So this is equal to half of modulus of A. Mod of A, if I find here, it will be root of 1 plus 4 plus 4. Root 9 is 3. Modulus of b is 5 and sin 30 is half. You will get 15 by 4. The area is 15 by 4 square units. Alright, let's move to the next question. See, modulus of a minus b is equal to root 7, right? If you square on both sides, if you square on both sides, you get mod of a minus b the whole square is equal to 7, right? Alright, now this is a square plus b square minus 2ab minus 2 times a dot b is equal to 7. Right, modulus of a will be root of 1 plus 4 plus 9, which is root 14. Root 14 the whole square is 14. Mod b the whole square minus 2 times a dot b same as mod b the whole square. So this is mod b the whole square is equal to 7. So this is 14 minus 7 is equal to mod b the whole square minus 2 mod b the whole square is minus mod b the whole square. You shift on the right side plus mod b the whole square plus modulus of b the whole square is equal to 7. Alright, now modulus of b is equal to root 7. So answer is root 7. Okay, so modulus of b is equal to root 7. Answer is option C. Right, question number 39. The direction cosines of a vector of magnitude 3 are 2 by 3 minus a by 3, 2 by 3. Direction ratios are proportional to direction cosines, right? So this means that direction ratios are 2 minus a and 2. So these are the DRs. Direction cosines DCs are given. Now vector A is given its a magnitude of 3. So vector R is equal to 2i 2i minus aj plus 2k. Now according to the question, modulus of R is equal to 3. Now root of 4 plus a square plus 4 is equal to 3. If you square on both sides, root and square cancels, you get a square plus 8 is equal to 9. So a square is equal to 1. A square is equal to 1, a equal to 1. So this vector R will be equal to 2i minus j plus 2k. Right, answer is option B. Right, let's move to the next question. Question number 40. Suppose a plus b plus c is 0. What's the angle between a and b? I can write this as a plus b is equal to minus c. Right, if I square on both sides. Hi Mala. If I square on both sides, you get a plus b the whole square is equal to minus. If you square, it becomes plus. So this is mod c the whole square. So this is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So that is 2 times a dot b is equal to mod c the whole square. Right, modulus of a is 3, right? So this becomes 9 plus 25 plus 2 times a dot b. A dot b is again mod a into mod b into cos theta. Right, and modulus of c is 7, so this becomes 49. Now if I shift on the right side, so this is 2 times modulus of A into modulus of B into cos theta is equal to, if I shift on the right side, 49 minus 34 is 15. This is 34, 15 only. So 2 times modulus of A is 3, modulus of B is 5, and cos theta is equal to 15. This 15 will cancel with 15. I get cos theta is equal to 1 upon 2. Isn't it, guys? Cos theta is half, means theta should be equal to pi by 3. Right, which is 60 degree. Answer is option B. Right, let's move to the next question. Question number 41. If ABC are 3 vectors, each one of them is perpendicular to sum of the other two. Now, according to the question, there's a similar question in textbook miscellaneous workload example. A is perpendicular to B plus C, B is perpendicular to C plus A, and C is perpendicular to A plus B. Each vector is perpendicular to sum of the other two. So this means that A dot with B plus C is 0, right? B dot with C plus A is 0. Okay, and then C dot with A plus B is 0. C dot with A plus B is 0. So this is A dot B plus A dot C is 0. B dot C plus B dot A is 0. Okay, and then C dot A plus C dot B is 0. Let's call equation 1, call this as 2, and call this as 3. If I add equations 1, 2 and 3, add 1, 2 and 3, directly this will be equal to 2 times A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A is equal to 0. Alright, now I am supposed to find what's the value of model. Otherwise, direct result, guys. If ABC are 3 vectors, each vector is perpendicular to sum of the other two. Directly you take A dot B, B dot C, C dot A is 0. Now if I take, suppose, mod of A plus B plus C the whole square. Mod of A plus B plus C the whole square. This is A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 into a bracket 2 times A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A. Okay, so this is 0. Now modulus of A plus B plus C the whole square. Mod of A plus B plus C the whole square is equal to modulus of A is 3, right? So this becomes 9 plus 16 plus 25, which is equal to 50. If you take the square out, you get mod of A plus B plus C is equal to root of 50. Root of 50 is 5 root 2. Is root of 50. Root of 50 is equal to 5 root 2. Right, answer is option B. Question number 42. So this is 2 times A dot B is mod A into mod B into cos theta, right? Is equal to modulus of A into modulus of B. This will cancel. Cos theta is equal to half and theta is equal to pi by 3, which is equal to 60 degree. Answer is option A. Right, let's move to the next question. Yeah, 60 degree, Gaurav. Question number 43. ABC are unit vectors. Then what will be the angle between A and B for which root 3A minus B to be a unit vector? So this is root 3A minus B the whole square. Modulus of root 3A minus B is unit vector. So root 3A minus B is equal to 1. If you square on both sides, you get root 3a minus b the whole square. Okay, is also equal to 1. So a square, that is equal to 3a square, b square minus 2ab, that is 2 root 3 into a dot b is equal to 1. So 3 into 1 plus b is 1 minus 2 root 3. A dot b is mod a into mod b into cos theta is equal to 1. Alright, so this will cancel. Yes, Gaurav, right? 3 is equal to 2 into root 3. Mod a is 1, mod b is 1 into cos theta. Now this cos theta is equal to 3 divided by 2 root 3. Alright, now cos theta is equal to root 3 by 2. Cos theta is root 3 by 2, theta is equal to pi by 6, that is 30 degree. Answer is option D. Right, let's move to the next question. See, if I want to find this value, right, whole square I'll keep as it is. This is 3 times a cross a. 3 times a cross a minus of a cross b minus a cross b plus 9 times b cross a, and then minus 3 times b cross b. This is whole square. A cross a is 0, b cross b is 0. Minus of a cross b is b cross a, right? So this will be equal to b cross a. This minus plus 9 times b cross a. And then this is whole square. Okay, this is whole square. Now this can be written as 10 times b cross a the whole square. 10 if you take outside it is 100. Modulus of b cross c mod of b cross a the whole square. Okay, this is mod a mod b into mod a into sin theta. Angle between a and b is 120, right? So this is sin 120. This is sin 120 the whole square. This is 100 into modulus of b is 2, modulus of a is 1, sin 120 is minus half the whole square. Minus the whole square is plus, you get 100. Sorry, sin 120 is root 3 by 2, right? So this is root 3 by 2 the whole square. Now 2 and 2 cancels, you get 100 into root 3 the whole square is 3. Answer is 300. Right, answer is option D. Let's move to the next question. If A and B are orthogonal, what should be the value of lambda? Orthogonal means perpendicular. Orthogonal vectors, perpendicular vectors, both are same. So this is A dot B is 0, right? So if I take the dot product, you will get this is 2 plus 2 lambda plus 3 is equal to 0. 2 lambda is equal to minus 5. Okay, lambda is minus 5 by 2. Answer is option D. Let's move to the next question. Problem number 46. If ABC are unit vectors, it is repeated, guys. Just now we did. Answer minus 3 by 2. Question number 47. Again, we'll use Lagrange's identity. Dot the whole square. Dot the whole square plus cross the whole square is equal to mod a square into mod b square. So dot the whole square cross the whole square is equal to mod a square into mod b square is equal to 144. Mod a the whole square is 16. Mod b I don't know is equal to 144. This will cancel 9 times. Mod b the whole square is 9. Mod b is 3. Answer is option C. Alright, let's move to the next question. See, if ABC are mutually perpendicular unit vectors, so this means that A dot B is 0, right? Mutually perpendicular unit vector A dot B is 0, and also mod A is equal to mod B is equal to 1. Now this can be written as 15 times A dot A Now 6 3 is 18, 18 into A dot B, then plus 10 B dot A minus 12 into B dot B. Okay, so this is 15 times mod A the whole square, and then minus 8 times A dot B minus 12 times mod B the whole square. A dot B is 0, right? So here itself it is 0, or you can make first step only 0. So this is 15 minus 12 because mod A mod B is 1. Answer is plus 3. Yes, Varun, right? Let's move to the next question, 49. If ABC are coplanar vectors, then what should be the value of ABC minus of A plus B plus C? Coplanar means the box of ABC is 0, right? Or A dot B cross C is 0. That is determinant equal to 0. Components of first vector is A1 1. Second vector is B1 B1 and 1 1 C. So you get BC minus 1. Delete first row second column C minus 1. Delete first row last column 1 minus B is 0. ABC minus A minus C plus 1 plus 1 minus B is equal to 0. So this becomes ABC. Take minus common, it will be A plus B plus C is equal to minus 2. Answer is option D. Right, that's what I'm supposed to find, guys. So it will be ABC minus 2. Question number 50. If vector A and vector B are orthogonal, orthogonal means perpendicular, that is A dot B should be 0. You will get this as mu plus lambda minus 2 is equal to 0. Let's call equation 1. Okay, you can't use the options because A and B will satisfy. A and B both will satisfy. It's also given in the question. Mod A is equal to mod B, that is mod A the whole square is equal to mod B the whole square. Mod A the whole square is 1 plus lambda square plus 4. Mod B the whole square is mu square plus 1 plus 1. Varun, are you using the options? Your option is right. But if you are using the options, then both B is also correct. Lambda square minus mu square plus 3 is equal to 0, right? Lambda minus mu into lambda plus mu plus 3 is equal to 0. From this, lambda plus mu is equal to 2. We get lambda minus mu into 2 plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, plus 3 is equal to 0. You will get 2 into lambda minus mu is equal to minus 3 by 2. So lambda minus mu is equal to minus 3 and then minus 3 by 2. This is minus 3 only. And lambda minus mu is minus 3 by 2. Right, now if I add equations 1 and 2 or solve equations 1 and 2, if I add equations 1 and 2, you will get this as mu will cancel. 2 lambda is equal to 2 minus 3 by 2. 2 lambda is equal to half, and lambda is 1 by 4. If I substitute in equation 1, 1 by 4 plus lambda is equal to minus 2. Lambda is equal to 2 minus 1 by 4. Lambda is equal to 7 by 4. Right? Lambda is, I want mu, right? Sorry. If I substitute here, mu is equal to 2 minus lambda, 2 minus 1 by 4, and mu is equal to 1 by 7. 7 minus 1, this is 7 by 4. Seven by 4, that is answers option A. Right, so I'll stop here, guys. We'll come up with, I'll start with question number 51 in my next session. That is tomorrow. Alright, so do join me, guys. And if you haven't subscribed the channel, please enable the bell icon so that you, and subscribe the channel so that you get the notification of all the classes. Alright, if you've already subscribed, please like and share this video, guys. Thank you. Thanks for joining.